After enough snow fell at the beginning of winter, we at Frontwoods Life started learning how to ride a snowmobile. It's a bit like driving an off-road vehicle, especially since our winch skills came in handy for tricky spots. We ventured into the woods where the main snowmobile trails are wide, snowy, and wind along the forest edge. Towering pines, birches, spruces, firs, and aspens dominate the landscape. While riding off-trail is challenging, it's not impossible for the adventurers. Some trails remain untouched all winter, buried under deep snow and drifts. Maneuvering through them requires balance, especially when your snowmobile tilts on uneven terrain. On untouched snow, animal tracks are very visible. The snow is quite deep. The snowmobile handles it easily. But walking in deep snow is no joke. In snowmobile tracks, the snow reaches top boot. In untouched areas, it swallows you up to your knees. On wide, straight forest roads, we sped through the winter wonderland. But narrow side trails tested our skills with fallen trees, sharp turns, and hidden bumps. When we ride the snowmobile, we see lots of snow around us. Fresh snow is smooth and beautiful, like a blank canvas. Animals leave their footprints on it, which help us figure out who has been here. For example, this track was made by a hare, just 300 meters from our home at Frontwoods Life. Two kilometers to the north, close to the road, we see tracks of roe deer, even groups of them. We notice the hopping tracks. Hop, 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 hop. And a line of walking tracks. Later we find where a roe deer lay down in the snow. Here is another example from deep in the forest. More roe deer tracks. If you follow the tracks, you may also find animal droppings, which confirm that a roe deer passed by. On deep snow, we see butterfly-shaped tracks. These are from a squirrel. It's light and doesn't sink deeply, leaving only surface marks. It's getting close to sunset, and it's time for hot tea before heading home. Tea always tastes especially good outdoors. On our way back to Frontwoods Life, we notice more roady tracks. Some of the tracks run along the road while others cross it. Once we are home, we can open a guidebook to double check that we have correctly identified the animal tracks. If you enjoyed this snow adventure, hit the subscribe button to join us.